Good morning, friends. Today we'll make a breakfast with the omelet. I have 1 frozen tomato, 2 green chili, and 3 eggs. So let's start. So friend, you can see I have grated the tomato and small chili I have cut already, and I have already smashed 3 eggs. So we continue with our cooking now. First I will add little oil. In this oil I will add this tomato. So now I will add small amount of salt. Salt you can add as per your taste. Red chili, and I have capsicum powder, so I will add also. We will fry it for 2 to 3 minutes until it gets cooked. So it's almost fried. Now we will add egg inside. We just try to mix one time. No need to mix it more. And now we will leave it like this. Very low flame. I will cover it and keep it for cooking for some time. So you can see our egg omelette is ready. Now I will take out in the other pan. Don't try to turn it over because it will break. So you can see our beautiful and tasty omelette is ready. You must try it once. You will love it. See you in the next video.